Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to mute a status update on WhatsApp using the latest update. Whether you're looking to declutter your Updates tab or simply avoid seeing certain statuses, this step-by-step process is quick and easy. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside, navigate to the Updates tab. This is where all the recent status updates from your contacts are displayed. It's a hub for shared photos, videos, and text updates that disappear after 24 hours. Next, locate the contact whose status updates you'd like to mute. Long press on their status update. This action will bring up a small menu or prompt on your screen. It's designed to give you options for managing that specific contact's updates. Now, tap on the mute option in the menu. Once you do this, WhatsApp will confirm your choice with a notification or pop-up message. After confirming, the contact's future status updates will no longer appear prominently in your Updates tab. Instead, they'll be moved to a separate muted section at the bottom of the list. And that's it. You've successfully muted a contact's status update on WhatsApp. Remember, muting doesn't block or remove the contact. It simply hides their updates from view unless you choose to unmute them later. This feature is perfect for maintaining privacy and reducing distractions while still staying connected on your terms. If you ever change your mind, you can always unmute statuses by revisiting the Updates tab and scrolling to the muted section. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to share this guide with friends who might find it helpful. See you next time.